Hi everybody, this is Super Sport from Land Rover Forums. I've noticed where people are having a hard time posting pictures into forums. I belong to a number of forums and it kind of happens quite often on all of them. So I thought I'd take a moment here and share an easy way of getting them posted. Actually, it's basically the normal way of posting them. So let's go ahead and I've already started a thread here and I'm going to go ahead and post a new reply, which is what you'd normally do. And here's my new reply with images listed. Um, I've already got my memory stick plugged into the computer. It can be your memory stick, your cell phone, your camera, your digital camera, whatever you use. In this case, I have a memory stick, and I've got these three pictures here. I'm going to go ahead and copy to the desktop. I always like to copy things to the desktop so I don't lose them. So I'll drag them up here to the desktop. As you can see, they copied. So now I can work from here. First thing we want to do is make sure they're a manageable size. So I'll go ahead and open a picture. And I'm on Windows 7, and Windows XP should be very similar. I'm going to go ahead and do this differently. I'm going to right mouse click Edit, which will open it in Paint. If you have another image editor, then it'll open in that. But Paint is on every Windows PC, so I thought I'd use this as an example. As you noticed here, I went ahead and maximized the window, and the reason for that is over here on Image, now I have the option to resize. It just wasn't showing, but it was there. So I'm going to go ahead and say resize. We're going to go to pixels. A good size for forums is 640 by 480. So I'm going to resize this image to 640. So I changed it to pixels, 640 by 480. Now if this was a tall image, make sure that the widest portion is 640 and the other portion is smaller. So it might be 640 by 400 or maybe be 400 by 640 or something. But just make sure 640 is the largest side on your image. I'm going to go ahead and say OK. Close that and save it. I'm going to do the same thing for all three of these images. Edit. I right mouse clicked, edit, resize, pixels, 640. Automatically the 480 happens because it's holding the aspect ratio. Say OK. Close that, save. Let's do our third one. Right mouse click, edit, resize, pixels, 640. Okay, so now I've got my three images resized. We'll go back to the thread. And you need to make sure that you are in advanced mode. In case you are editing a post that you've already created, you'd have to go down and select advanced mode so it brings up the options of doing these additional things down here. So I'm going to say manage attachments. I'm going to browse to the desktop. And here's my images. I'll pick this one first, open, and upload. I'll go ahead and select the second one, select this one, and upload. And as you can see here, it's adding them in here in this list here of current attachments. I'll select my third one, my dash. I'll upload it. And there, now I've uploaded three images of my Land Rover. Now that you see them in the current attachments, you can go ahead and close this window. And now I'm going to preview the post. As you can see here, I've got my new post with these thumbnails. Let's say, for instance, I would like to have those large images within the post. So down here, I'll say first image of front. Then I'll come down here to my attachments, and I happen to know that first one was the front end. So I'm going to right mouse click, copy shortcut. Click back in here, click on the picture icon, right mouse, paste. And what that's done is that has taken the image that's actually hosted on the Land Rover forums and just put it up into my message. So now I'm going to go to the end of that message. It's a little hard to see on this screen. I've got it really small. I'm in a virtual machine. Let's go ahead and post the dash, for instance. And that was the third image, so I'll right mouse, copy, shortcut. Click down here. Click on the insert image icon. Paste that link that we just copied. Okay, and there's the image. So that's how you get the images in the messages. Let me go back here. I'm going to preview the post, and now you can see the images are actually in line with the message. Now let's say there's an image on a search engine or another website that you want to insert into your post. Over here on Bing, I've already done a search, and I searched for 2003 Land Rover Discovery 2, the same vehicle I have. Of course, this is not mine, but let's say we want to take this image and post it into that message. I'll go ahead and click on the image to bring up a larger version. Right mouse, copy. Simple as that. Come over here. We'll go back into the message body. I have to go to the end of that image and hit enter. This, whoops, sorry. This image was pasted from another website. And literally, I already copied, back over here, I right mouse click copied on the picture. Come back over to our form, click where I want it to go, right mouse click paste, and simple as that, it's actually taken it from this website and posted it into my message here. And that's it. I mean, it's simple as that. So good luck with this. If you have any questions, leave a message and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks, guys.